In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a job on LinkedIn. Now, open up your LinkedIn, right? Click on this post, click on this job, right? Wait for it to gradually load up. You wait for it to load up, right? Once it has finished loading up, I think you're gonna fill in the details, right? You're gonna fill in the required details for you to be able to post this, right? So I'm gonna go, let me check my profile. Click on this, right? Okay, so before you can be able to post I think you're gonna have a company page, right? So you're gonna click on this job and you're gonna select the company page, then you're gonna post the job, right? So I'm gonna make a video how you can create a company page for yourself. If you find it today, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.